How to make music tracks or audio pieces sound 10 times better in Adobe Premiere Pro completely for free. Okay, so the first step is once you have your video files and your audio files under the sequence, the first step is to go under to Effects, to type in treble. Drag on treble, it should be under Audio Effects, onto your music piece, and then go to under Effects Control, and we're going to change this to 15. So notice off of the bat, this is the before.
Let us step a little higher, and every day I keep on moving.
And this is the after.
Let us step a little higher, and every day I keep on moving.
Notice off of the bat the difference of the vocals in the music track overall. Go under to Effects again, and type in bass, and drag on bass, and make this plus 8 decibels. This is the before.
Let us step a little higher, and every day I keep on moving.
And this is the after.
Let us step a little higher, and every day I keep on moving.
And one last piece, if you want to make your audio sound as best as you can and raise the volume without it having to peak, then go under to Effects and add a hard limiter. Now, since you may not have this preset, you're going to have to type in hard limiter and drag that onto your audio piece like so. Go under to Effects Control, and under hard limiter, click Edit. Under maximum amplitude, it's set as a -0.1, but you want to drag it to the left, so it's a -0.5. And this is the before clip.
Let us step a little higher, and every day I keep on moving.
And this is the after clip.
Let us step a little higher, and every day I keep on moving.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found value in this. If you did, drop this video a like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and share the video for more content.